Jasmy coin, Jasmy, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, or so they thought. This guide will offer you particularly the most recent Jasmy coin cost expectation for 2023, 2025 and 2030 that was being made starting around 17 February 2023, and its extended development from specialized investigation to essential cost history, which is genuinely huge. Prior to jumping into the Jasmy cost expectation and examining numbers that could get you exhausted for not a glaringly obvious explanation by any means, let us discuss the set of experiences and a kind of fundamental outline of Jasmy coin on the lookout. Jasmy coin, Jasmy outline. Jasmy coin presently remains at $0.007 United States dollars, with a market capitalization of $340,161,828, making it rank 118 in the most significant coins list. Jasmy for the most part has a 24-hour volume of $130,349,085, as indicated by TechNews Leader Value List. The value worth of Jasmy coin has changed 1.43% in the past 24 hours. In most recent 7 days, the cost of Jasmy has a difference in 15.44%. It for the most part is exceptionally restricted to a greatest stockpile of 46,899,999,999 coins. Jasmy coin value forecast 2023. There are signs that the crypto market is going to enter another age in a genuinely significant manner. Sure that the drawn-out cost expectation at Jasmy's cost will take off, since there is still confidence that the cash will draw in basically in every practical sense. More consideration in a genuinely significant way. The year 2023 can end with a typical cost of $0.010 and a base value worth of $0.009. Incredibly, the most extreme cost is supposed to exchange around $0.011. Amazingly, Jasmy coin Jasmy value forecast 2025. Amazingly, the Jasmy coin worth will build in light of the endeavors of the organization engineers and local area financial backers. Accordingly, the determined cost for the year 2025 is bullish. Jasmy was expected to contact a most extreme value level of $0.023 toward the finish of 2025, as per examiners. Then again, it is profoundly hopeful that the Jasmy coin's future will eventually develop. Hence, the anticipated typical cost of Jasmy will generally be around $0.019 to $0.020 is normal in 2025, relying upon the market. As expressed in a similar trademark, the Jasmy's greatest cost goes from $0.019 to $0.023 for 2025, in spite of prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin value expectation 2030. Jasmy really have gigantic potential, with pretty certain joint efforts and developments might expand the quantity of clients and adoption. Assuming the market focuses on putting resources into Jasmy coin, the cost could ascend a lot higher. By 2030, it can arrive at a greatest worth of 15 cents. It is normal that the Jasmy will pivot a smidgen, assuming the market goes down. What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin. Jasmy is a digital currency task of a Tokyo-based Web of Things (IoT) supplier Jasmy Company. As a framework, the Web of Things incorporates mechanical and computerized components blessed with an identifier and the capacity to communicate information in a kind of huge manner. Certainly, the IoT organization Jasmy has practical experience in purchasing, selling information, and the Jasmy stage interfaces two classifications: specialist co-ops and information clients in an unobtrusive manner. The Jasmy stage was worked to re-establish and safeguard the power of individual information by joining IoT innovation with blockchain innovation and giving clients full command over their own data. The primary objective of the venture is to lay out a solid climate on the stage where clients can trade information in a trustless way between IoT gadgets, PCs, vehicles, telephones, and in every practical sense, decentralized conventions. The mission of Jasmy designers is to generally establish a climate by molding a foundation where clients can undoubtedly, securely and easily use information. Subsequently, Jasmy means to give its clients a strong foundation, a natural connection point, and a safe climate for putting away and sharing information. In the Jasmy space, data can explicitly be changed into individual resources. Jasmy decentralizes the work process with edge registering and putting away information on IPFS, Interplanetary Document Framework. The way of thinking of the task depends on the democratization of information utilizing a decentralized model, where information is safely secured and claimed by a proprietor, and specialist organizations get the chance to advance their administration's business utilizing information possessed by clients. Who are the pioneers behind Jasmy Coin? Jasmy was established in April 2016 in Tokyo by a few pretty previous Sony leaders, including Kunitake Ando, delegate head of Jasmy, and previous president and coup of Sony organization, Kazumasa Sato, president and coup at Jasmy, and previous chief of SonyStyle.com Japan Incorporated. Masanobu Yoshida, representative president and CTO at Jasmy, resigned as of December 2021, and Hiroshi Hirata, CFO at Jasmy and chief monetary examiner at KPMG. In October 2021, Jasmy Coin, Jasmy, was sent off on the Japanese trade Bitpoint Japan. Jasmy is an ERC-20 symbolic that drives the Jasmy stage, goes about as the super utility badge of the organization, and assumes an imperative part in building the whole Jasmy environment. The task has collaborated with kind of central parts in the computerized business, among them Transcosmos, Panasonic and Vio. What makes Jasmy Coin extraordinary? In the computerized age, Jasmy is tending to the accompanying difficulties. The Jasmy stage ensures its client's secrecy and gives them the option to deal with their very own information in a real sense. With Jasmy, clients send data through IoT gadgets to organizations in return for administrations in a protected way. Jasmy offers an information handling strategy in which the data get-together of clients is completed appropriately, barring data spillage. The Jasmy network guarantees a decentralized framework where information the executives is based on security and confidence in a significant manner. In this way, the Jasmy Coin project is attempting to help the most noteworthy conceivable degree of well-being and security of the market, and the dynamic utilization of IoT gadgets assists with decreasing misrepresentation. How it functions. Client information is kept in a safe stockpiling of pretty private information. The Jasmy network sort of purposes IPFS, Interplanetary Record Framework, innovation, which comprises of the Security Information Communicator, SKC, and Savvy Safeguard. To actuate SKC, clients need to go through the enlistment and personality check stage, and it's conceivable a short time later to follow exchanges and basically oversee information. At this stage, financial backers organizations generally get consent to utilize the individual data of the proprietors. What's more, with the assistance of the Shrewd Watchman, SG administration, IoT gadgets are safely enrolled. What number of Jasmy Coin? Jasmy coins really are there available for use. Jasmy Coin, Jasmy, is a utility symbolic that essentially keeps the organization running. It's sent on the Ethereum blockchain and works as an ERC-20 token. Jasmy Coin is the main cash of the Jasmy organization, and the kind of principal utilization of the token is to pay for individual information from IoT gadgets. Clients can utilize Jasmy buying items on the stage, as well as to safeguard data. Because of Jasmy Coin, clients approach any information from the capacity. Jasmy Coin has a greatest stock of 50 B coins, with 4.75 B Jasmy available for use as of May 2022. The absolute inventory of Jasmy